Hello, good day. Ba't ang
Kasi
ano mo?
po sir, may nakita po ako sa Facebook eh.
O ano yung nakita mo?
Ayan po sir, nakalagay po, only genius can solve this. Math problem po siya, kaya sinagutan ko.
Ano man naging sagot mo?
1 po sir. Kaso nga lang po nalito ako kasi po sa comment section napakadami po
Sakto
iba't
yung
ibang
tanong mo
sagot.
kasi our lesson for today is all about the order of operation. Okay, in mathematics, we have what we call order of operation. Napakahalaga nito kasi pag hindi natin ito nasunod, mag-iiba-iba ang sagot natin. We have what we call PEMDAS. PEMDAS stands for P is for parenthesis, E is for exponent, M and D is for multiplication and division, A and S is for addition and subtraction. Okay, let's have an example para mas maintindihan mo. Okay, number 1 example. We have 5 times 2 plus 8 minus 4. So, anong unahin natin? Very good, multiplication. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Next is addition. Kaya magkakaroon tayo ng 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. Sunod natin is yung minus 4. Kaya ang magiging sagot natin ay 14. Napakadali lang. Now, example number 2. Paano naman kung babaliktaran ko ng konti yung problem kanina? So, we have 5 times 2 minus 8 plus 4. O, ano ulit uunahin natin? Yes, according to PEMDAS, unahin natin yung multiplication kasi wala namang parenthesis at saka exponent. So, we have 5 times 2 which is 10 minus 8 plus 4. So, ano sunod? Addition or subtraction? According to PEMDAS, addition tapos subtraction. Take note, yung multiplication at saka division, magkasama yon. Ang ibig sabihin nun, it's either of the two ang uunahin mo. Pero pag present silang dalawa, ang gagawin mong solve ay from left to right. Ganun din naman sa addition at saka subtraction. Pag present silang dalawa, ang gagawin mong solving ay from left to right. In this problem, since present yung dalawang operation, uunahin natin yung operation from left to right, which is 10 minus 8 muna. So we have 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Tandaan nyo yun hindi porkit nauna ang multiplication sa word na PEMDAS, ay uunahin nyo na yung multiplication. Same thing with addition. Nauna rin kasi siya sa word na PEMDAS. Pag present yung dalawang operation, isosolve mo siya from left to right. Okay, let's have example number 3. We have 10 divided by 2 times 5 minus 3 plus 8. In this case, lahat ng basic operation present. Siyempre, susundin natin yung PEMDAS or since apat lang naman yung operation dito, mas kilala siya sa MDAS. So, ano unahin natin? Present ang division at saka multiplication. Okay, very good. Division muna. Huwag kayong malilito. Dahil present silang dalawa, isosolve natin siya from left to right. So, we have 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 5 times 5 minus 3 plus 8. O, ano sunod natin? Yes, multiplication. So, we have 5 times 5 is equal to 25 minus 3 plus 8. Okay, dito, ano una natin isosolve? Minus or plus? Very good, minus. Dahil present silang dalawa, ang solve natin is from left to right. So, we have 25 minus 3 is equal to 22 plus 8. And 22 plus 8 is equal to 30. Very good. Number 4 example. So, we have 12 divided by 4 times 3 plus 2. Sa tingin nyo, anong una natin uunahin? Very good. Yung nasa parenthesis. So we have 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Sa tingin nyo, anong ibig sabihin ng parenthesis when it comes to basic operation? Very good, multiplication. So, pwede kong ipakita sa equation na 12 divided by 4 times 5. So, sa tingin mo, ano nang uunahin natin? Very good, division. Susundin natin ulit yung PEMDAS from left to right dahil present yung division at saka multiplication. So, we have 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3 times 5 is equal to 15. Very good. Okay now, Junel, pwede mo nang i-confirm ngayon kung tama yung naging sagot mo kanina. Yung equation na pinakita mo sa akin kanina is 6 divided by 2 times 1 plus 2. Susundin ko po, sir, yung PEMDAS. So, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Tapos po, gagawin kong multiplication yung parenthesis. Kaya magkakaroon ako ng 6 divided by 2 times 3. Uunahin ko po yung 6 divided by 2 which is 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Na-confirm ko po na mali yung sagot ko kanina dahil ang sagot po ay 9. Very good, Junel. Ibig sabihin, yung sagot mo kaninang 1 is mali dahil ang correct na answer is 9. Ipagkalat mo yan at ituro mo rin sa mga classmate mo. Kung may natutunan po kayo sa video na to katulad ko, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa mga math video tutorial ni Sir. Maraming salamat po. Bye-bye!